Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how the container handles a request. Okay, let's move on to our video. Here, first of all, a container is a Java application that controls a servlet. When a container starts, it looks for the deployed web applications and finds the servlet classes. After it finds the servlet class, it is up to the container to load the class immediately or at the time of client request. One thing that is ensured is that the servlet is initialized before its service method is called. When the client requests the servlet, the server passes that request to the container. Now, the container processes that request and passes the response to the server. So, let's talk about using a diagram. Here, first, you can see user clicks a link that has a URL of servlet. So, after that, container sees that the request is for servlet. So, it creates two objects, HTTP servlet request and HTTP servlet response. Here you can see it by using this diagram. So after that, container finds correct servlet on the basis of URL passed with the help deployment descriptor file, and it allocates thread for that request and pass request and response object to serve thread. Here you can see it also by using this diagram. And after that, container calls the servlet service method on the type of request service calls doGet and doPost methods. So after that, here let's assume that service called the doPost method. Here doPost method generates dynamic page and add the page in response object. Here you can see that in instance in here. So finally, thread completes. Container converts the response object into HTTP response object and destroys the response and request object. So this is about how the container handles a request.